Give me a quick video on my thought process on Cookie. So I was looking at Cookie. This is on the actual exchange. You know, I had my trend lines drawn with the magnet tool from here to here, and then also did one from here to here. Gave me this zone. I was actually longing very high leverage, and then it came down here, and I moved up my stop loss. I ended up getting stopped out, and then it started coming up above my 9 SMA, the white line. I entered again for a long, knowing that I was underneath this resistance. Sure enough, it came down, stopped me out fairly quick. It's 5-minute time frame. And so now what I should have done was I should have automatically, once I got stopped out, opened a short, because we're getting rejected off of this trend line. But again, I'm literally doing like 6, 7 things maybe 3 things at once. But just to be dramatic, we'll call it 7. But I mean, I should have done a short with my stop loss above these wicks, or yeah, stop loss here, go for a short, and then it came up and it came down. And then what I could have done was I could have added to my short here, or just to be safer, do a short. Right now, it's too late to do this one. And this one could pull back quite a bit, but it's too late. There's no way I can enter this, because this could potentially, from this leg to this is called an extension leg. The price, it barely retraced, barely anything. It could come up here to the blue line, which is my VWAP, come down, and then decision point, attack this to attack this, and then keep on going up, probably. Or is it going to, roll over? So once again, if I am going to enter a short on this one, which again, it's already kind of too late, but it would have to do this number, then try to come up again, and then come down and break this. I can enter a short here, add here. If this doesn't happen, then maybe something like this, where it comes up and then it just comes straight down. It's kind of going sideways and down, and then it breaks this, but there's no like definite pivot. Then I can, enter a short here, just depending on, and here I have my fib retracement. To where maybe going to the 382 or to the 0.5. But if it's too late, it's too late. So I can't do a short on this one. All right, so that's all I got. Just kind of, giving you different ideas on, expecting pullbacks. And then especially with Bitcoin potentially coming back right now, pulling back right now, we could do shorts while we're waiting for that potential bounce. Hopefully all this makes sense. I do thank you very much. Take care.